Here's what's new for JPRO 2024 V2. We increased JPRO's selection of bi-directional tests for major commercial vehicle and component manufacturers, including Detroit Assurance, Detroit Diesel, and PACCAR. These tests and commands include cylinder cutouts, DPF service regens, and parameter adjustments. This release also brings a significant update to off-highway coverage, offering proprietary faults and sensor data for equipment made by Kubota, Sunward America, and Takeuchi. Additionally, more bi-directional tests are available for off-highway equipment engine manufacturers, such as Kubota and Komatsu. Users will benefit from the addition of the wiggle test, forced regens, and a variety of after-treatment injector tests. We enhance the user experience by making it easier to access fault guidance directly from the fault grid for troubleshooting steps, wiring diagrams, and more. Additionally, we tightened integration between the Vehicle Readiness Assessment and Repair Mentor to make it easier to fix issues that affect the vehicle's roadworthiness. Active subscribers can download the update at no additional cost via a prompt in the software.